You would wake up with a glowing skin after applying cold liver oil and Vaseline overnight. You're welcome to my channel. Hey dear, if you're just joining in, hello, I see you. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Lit Glows so that you'll be getting free tips and updates. This is the cold liver oil I would be using. It says Chris shots. You can use any cold liver oil that is suitable. And then this is the Vaseline. I made this Vaseline myself, so that's why you see it in this kind of container. I would be using a pea-sized Vaseline. It is enough. Too much Vaseline is not good for the skin. I'm going to put it in the container and then apply my cod liver oil. Vaseline and cod liver oil, the combination is very good for your skin. As you sleep, the Vaseline will help retain skin moisture and make your skin get all the benefits of cod liver oil. I just use a scissors to open the mouth of the cod liver oil, and then I'm going to be using just 2 capsules of the cod liver oil. Vaseline acts as occlusive agent that creates a barrier on the skin, preventing moisture loss and helping to lock in the benefit of cod liver oil. And cod liver oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin A, vitamin D. Cod liver oil helps to maintain and repair the skin, improve skin texture, elasticity, and reduce inflammation. So now I'm just going to be mixing the two of them together until I've maintained a very smooth consistency. This could be applied once a week, and it can be applied overnight, and when you wake up in the next morning, you're going to wake up to a glowing skin. Using Vaseline and cod liver oil is beneficial due to their moisturizing and nourishing property. So after I'm done mixing it, I'm just going to apply it on my face with this spatula I'm using to mix it. Now I'm just going to be applying it on my face and spread it evenly to avoid clogging pores. If you have oily skin or acne prone skin, it is advisable you use less Vaseline or you skip it completely. But if you have a dry skin, this works best for a dry skin. It helps to bring out the glow in a dry skin. You could use your fingers to apply this Vaseline and cod liver oil on your face. Now I will just use my fingers to spread it evenly all around my face. Make sure that every part of my face gets this. Spread it evenly so that Vaseline will not end up clogging the pores, leading to acne. So that's why you should just spread it evenly. Even now, you can see the glow, guys. My skin is already glowing. And when you wake up the next morning, you're going to wake up to a glowing skin. The next morning, you make sure you wash your skin evenly. You wash it properly to remove every form of dirt and Vaseline, and also then you apply your moisturizer. Vaseline is going to create a barrier and prevent moisture loss, and you're going to get that particular glow that you deserve, guys. Hey dear beautiful viewers, please, I'm begging you, I'm not proud, I'm begging, please subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, it will go a long way for me and help me also create more videos like this, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, I love you so much. Thanks for watching this video to this point. You are the real MVP. Give this video a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I love you.